So hello guys, welcome to Dev Domain. In today's video we are going to see what are nested if statements. So let's start. A nested if is an if statement that is the target of another if or else. Okay, so let's see how it will be the targeted of another if and else. So next point is nested if statements means if statement inside an if statement, means basically we have understand the if statements in the previous video. So there is only one block of if statement. Okay, inside that block the another if statement is existed. Okay, so this is called as nested if statement. Yes, Java allows us to nested if statement. Within if statement, that is, we can place an if statement inside another if statement. Okay. Now we can see the example or the syntax of the nested if statements. So this is the syntax of the nested if statements. So how it will be executed, let's see. So if the condition 1 is true, then the inner block will be executed. It checks the condition 2. Then if the condition is true, then again it will be run this block, second condition block will be run. If the first condition is false, let's say if the first condition is false, then it will not execute it, it will directly terminate and runs rest of the code below. Okay, another scenario will be if the first condition is true and the second condition is false, then what will happen? Let's see. If the first condition is true, then the first block will executed. Okay, and second condition is false, then it will not execute, second will not executed, it directly terminate and next code will be run. So let's see the demonstration of the nested if statements. So let's start the demonstration of nested if statements. So I have created a class called demo, and inside the class I have created a method, main method, and I am creating now two variables. Int a is equal to 20 and int b is equal to 40. Okay, I am creating now the nested if statement. Okay, if a is equal to 20, then print. Okay, this is the outer statement, or outer if. Now inside the if block I'm creating another if the b is equal to 40, then print b is b. Okay, this will, this if will be inner if. Okay. This will be outer if, this will be inner if. Okay. If the inner if, now in this scenario, the inner if and outer if, both the condition is true. Okay. Condition 1 is also true and B's condition, that is second condition, is also true. Okay. Let's run the code. So we have get the output as A is 20 and B is 40. Both the block of if is executed. Okay. This block is also executed, outer if block, and inner if block is also executed. Now let's see what if the outer block is true and inner block will be false. Let's say I am changing B is equal to 10. Okay. Out in outer if is equal to true is true and inner if is equal to false. Now in this scenario. So now let's see what will be the out. So only the outer if block is executed. Inner if block is not executed. Okay. See the another scenario. If outer if block is false, okay, and inner if block is true, whatever it might be, whether it might be true, whether it might be false, it will not be executed. Why it will be not executed? First, it checks the outer block. If the outer block is true, then only it will enter to the inner block. Okay. If the outer block is false, it will directly terminate the if block. Okay. Output of this code. So now I am changing the B A is equal to 10. A's value is equal to 10 if and B's value is equal to 40. B is true and A is false. So let's see. I have not gotten any output. Okay. This whole block is terminated and whatever might be the next code, it will execute it. So thank you for watching this video.